Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it.
I'm loving it.
Fucking A. I actually don't know what this thing would sound like when it hits the limiter, because that was only 8,000 revs and it goes up to 14. I was just wondering if that bit there would be good for the ride past with the exhaust. If we can get somewhere to turn up here. Just get us straight so we can see if there's anything coming. I'm only going to do one ride past.
Okay.
Right, now we're just waiting on fanny bars to come up the road. I've only got one tripod, so I become the other one. Could be here eventually.
Yeah, it's a bit fast for getting that junction.